Today we're detailing this old Mazda pickup truck to restore some of its former beauty. To do so, we'll be washing, buffing, and waxing the exterior surfaces and deep cleaning this filthy interior. So stay tuned. To pull off a detail of this caliber, I'm using basic supplies that can be found in the Amazon links in the description below. A few of you guys that are subscribed wanted to see a closer look of which products are being used. We got a wheel and tire cleaner, degreaser, car wash soap, and a few extras like these guides to stop hoses from getting stuck. There's also some new brushes that I picked up, which make cleaning wheels and plastic surfaces much easier. In the foam cannon, I'm using a regular dish soap and degreaser, which, before you type away in the comments, I would not advise doing unless the vehicle will be waxed afterwards. Taking a look around the truck, there's tons of surface level scratches as well as paint transfer, and deep scratches too that we'll be able to work on. But first, let's get this truck washed, clayed, and dried. After the wash, we'll be using this detailing clay to pull off any contaminants before buffing and waxing the paint. Back in the garage, it's time to get started on this interior. After vacuuming up all the surfaces, I'm spraying down some super clean degreaser, agitating, and then using my Bissell Little Green to extract the carpets. I was planning to extract the carpet as well, but it turns out it was a cheap replacement and the dye just stripped right out of it, so that was a no-go. Check out how much dirt I pulled out of the floor mats and seats, even after they were vacuumed really well. For the rest of the interior, I'm using a McCulloch steamer to deep clean the years of crud and abuse that this truck has seen. And it's doing an absolutely amazing job at getting it looking new. Moving on to the exterior surfaces, I'm wet sanding over these scratches with a fine grit. I believe it was 2000 or maybe 3000. These paint protection films that are applied on most cars when they're picked up from a dealership end up drying out, and then they're super tough to get off. It gets all gooey, but a steamer made the job a little bit easier. Buff out the scratched up surfaces, I'm using a microfiber pad on a 6-inch dual action polisher. As far as compound goes, I'm using M105 and then going back through with the polish. This is what some simple products and hard work can get done. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and comment something below. Oh yeah, click one of those videos in front of you. See ya.